Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer IAM roles for an app running on a VPS step by step clearly. To transfer IAM roles for an application running on a VPS, start by accessing your VPS terminal. Log into your VPS using SSH. Ensure you have the necessary permissions to modify IAM roles. Identify the current IAM role associated with your application. Use the AWS Management Console to navigate to the IAM dashboard. Locate the role you wish to transfer. Review the policies attached to the current role. Decide which policies need to be transferred or modified for the new role. Create a new IAM role to accommodate your application's needs. Select the appropriate permissions for the new role based on your application requirements. Review and confirm the role creation. Once the new role is created, navigate back to your application's configuration files. Update the application settings to utilize the new IAM role. If your application is using environment variables, modify them to reflect the new role. Restart your application to apply the changes. Monitor the application to ensure it operates smoothly with the new IAM role. Check the IAM permissions to verify that they are functioning as expected. Perform additional testing to ensure everything is working seamlessly. Document the changes made for future reference. Once confirmed, securely delete any unnecessary roles to maintain security best practices. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.